After we've evaluated the quality of our requirements document, it's critical to ensure consistency amongst the terminology and units. In QVScribe, these are listed under the Consistency tab. In this particular example, we don't have a lot of units used. This is where they would be listed, and you can filter them by those that are metric, falling under the International System of Units, and it will also list everything that falls outside of the International System of Units. So you can quickly see if you've used pounds instead of newtons or feet instead of meters, anything like that will show here. Some of the biggest catastrophes in project failures that have ever been seen are caused by simple errors like this. And it's something that's very easy for a computer to identify, but very difficult for a human to identify. So it's very handy that QVScribe looks at that for you. You can also use it to compare terms. So we can look through the list here and see all of the requirements, how the terms are used in the requirements. We can scroll through and see how many times each term is used. So let's just get to one of the more common ones here. I'll list them in order of how many times they appear. So let's see first system. Just making sure that that's used consistently. You see it always says the system. We can just quickly scroll that and see that what we call the system is used consistently throughout the document. Solution, let's check on that one here. Oh, we can see here that it's usually listed as the solution, but in some cases it just says solution. So that should be updated to be consistent with everything else in the document, just to avoid confusion that we are using the same terminology throughout. And you can actually, depending on the document that you're looking at, you might want to have this more or less of a matching strength. So you can use that slider to indicate if you wanted to only show you things that are exact matches or something that's close to being similar. So if you bring that sensitivity down a little bit, it'll show you things that are close to each other but not exact. And that just helps make sure that you're using the same terms consistently throughout your document.